well, Randall made his comeback video, so I guess it's time to make mine. So a lot has changed since the last time we uploaded. A lot has changed for me, actually. I currently don't have any project vehicles. So last we left off, I had the Mach 1 Mustang, and I sold that for a nice profit. And then I bought a 2002 Jeep Wrangler. Had that for a few months. Wasn't very practical for the family, so sold that too. And after that, I bought a 2008 Escalade with the 6.2 liter V8, 400 and something horsepower. And I just recently sold that, and we put the money towards a new car. I'll show you real quick what I'm driving now. So we currently have a Honda Passport and a brand new Honda Civic Sport. These actually come with a K20, and absolutely love it. It's a really, really nice car. The paint is, I don't know if that picks it up on camera, but the paint is absolutely beautiful. But yeah, so that's what I'm driving now. I'll get to this in a second. So I did end up starting a new business on the side, alongside my main job, and it is called Vivid Wraps and Graphics. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can check it out. So yeah, I've been doing vehicle wraps and vehicle graphics for, I don't know, probably about a year now. So that's basically what I'm gonna offer to the channel now. So that's where this actually comes in. I know you're probably thinking, oh, it's a Jeep, but you're wrong. It looks like a Jeep, but it's actually a 2019, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, Mahindra Roxor turbo diesel. I don't know much about it, but the customer wants to take off all the Roxor badging. So we're gonna take this off, and we're gonna take this old decal off, and we're gonna rebadge it with some custom decals that I made. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on this. So I just gotta clean it up, and put the new decals on. Take these off, like I said earlier. Yeah, should be pretty simple. So what I'm going to use to clean it up is just some soapy water and some 70% rubbing alcohol. Isopropyl, is that how you say it? Isopropyl, this stuff. And that's all you need to clean it up. this is the not so fun part about the job. I don't know how well it's picking up on camera, but getting off the old adhesive from the old sticker isn't always fun. So I'm using this and this little scraper and the rag, and it's coming off, but little by little. And the reason you need to get all of the old adhesive off is because when you put the new vinyl on, it'll show through. You don't want that. It won't look like a good clean install. It'll be bumpy and gross looking. Alright, so I got all the old decals off, got all the old adhesive off. Something kind of weird, I guess from the old sticker. I don't know if it's just faded, but there's like a lip, like kind of where, like, I don't know if they used a clear on this mat, but there's like a, there's like a line all the way around it, and you can actually still see the word Roxor. And that's where there was no adhesive, because the sticker was reversed. So yeah, I don't know what that's all about. And it's not coming off. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the new decals on. And I won't show you those until I'm done. Jeep all finished up. I said Jeep, but I know it's not a Jeep. It's a Roxor or whatever it's called, but it's just easier to say Jeep. Yeah, it came out pretty good. If you saw on the time lapse, you kind of probably guessed at what theme he was going with. But yeah, let's check it out. So he went with the old school, like, Air Force theme because he's in the Air Force. Don't ask me what any of the numbers mean because he picked them. Yeah, it came out pretty good, nice and clean. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Like I said, it's just a quick video of what I've been doing lately. If you like this sort of thing, you know, there'll be more of it. Anytime I get a wrap in here or anything with graphics or anything like that, I'll film it and post it up. But anyway, it's been a long day. I'm gonna end this video here. I know Randall's got some other videos in the works. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.